Hey everyone, welcome back. We spend a fair bit of time checking out what's new on the AI agent store.
We do. And lately, we've been looking into AI agents specifically for digital marketing. It's a pretty active area.
Definitely. So today we wanted to talk about one particular agent we looked into, kind of get a handle on what it offers based on its website.
Exactly. The idea is just to give you, the listener, a sense of what these tools can do, their main capabilities, the potential upsides for marketing work.
Okay, so let's name names. Which agent are we looking at today?
This one's called Icon AI. And from what we gathered on their site, it's basically an AI platform focused on helping with digital ads.
Helping how? Like creating them.
Yeah, creating them, but also optimizing them, getting them deployed across different channels. It seems designed to automate a lot of that workflow.
Hmm. Okay, so it's more than just like a fancy ad generator. What's actually powering it? Well, the interesting part is the machine learning aspect. It apparently looks at your website content, what competitors are doing with their ads, customer reviews, even past ad performance.
Wow, okay.
And it uses all that data to, suggest new ad concepts, trying to spot things a person might miss.
That sounds potentially really powerful. Huge time saver, maybe. But what if the ads it suggests are off?
That's a fair point. They mention having tools for editing and customizing the ads. So it generates ideas, but you're not stuck with them. You can tweak them, make sure they fit your brand, your message.
Got it. So the big picture is using data and automation to make marketing campaigns, well, smarter and faster.
Precisely. It's about taking those insights from the data, automating some tedious parts, and ideally freeing up marketers to focus more on, the bigger strategy.
Makes sense. Who do they see as the ideal user for something like Icon AI?
They specifically mention marketing professionals, ad agencies, managing multiple clients, digital marketers, obviously, and also business owners who handle their own marketing.
Okay, pretty broad marketing audience then. Now, I saw something on their site about a 68% autonomy level. What does that translate to in practice?
Yeah, that's an interesting figure.
Yeah.
The way I interpret it is it can handle a lot of the ad creation process autonomously, like drafting copy, suggesting visuals. But the overall strategy, the goals, the brand voice, that still needs human direction and approval.
So it's a powerful assistant, not quite a replacement for the marketing team lead.
Exactly. It operates within the boundaries and goals set by humans. There's still oversight.
Okay. Can you give some concrete examples? Like, how would someone actually use this day to day?
Sure. You could, say, use it to quickly generate variations of an ad for new product launch, tailored maybe for Facebook versus Instagram.
Right.
Or maybe analyze what your competitors' ads look like to find some gaps or opportunities. It could also potentially adjust ad spend based on real-time performance data.
Automating optimization, basically.
Yeah, and just streamlining the whole process of getting ads out onto different platforms.
Sounds useful. What about actually getting access to it? Is it free to try or?
Based on the info, it looks like a paid tool, a subscription model.
Yeah.
And it's closed source, meaning the underlying code isn't public.
Okay, good to know. And which industries are they really highlighting?
Primarily marketing, advertising, and e-commerce. Makes sense, given the focus on digital ads.
Yeah, definitely. And are there specific keywords or tags associated with it? Helps to categorize it?
You see things like advertising automation, digital marketing, machine learning, ad optimization, and marketing strategy. Gives you a good feel for its focus.
And they have a video too, right? Something about an AI CMO.
That's right. Introducing Icon, the first AI CMO chief marketing officer. So pretty ambitious framing there.
Definitely sets a high bar. So wrapping up, tools like Icon AI really seem to represent a shift, maybe, in digital marketing, making it potentially more automated, more data-driven.
Absolutely. It makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
How could tools like this change your own workflow or even just how you think about planning and running marketing campaigns?
It really does.
Yeah.
Lots to consider. Well, if you want to explore Icon AI or other agents, remember to check out aiagentstore.ai.
Good place to browse. And hey, thanks everyone for rating the show. We really appreciate it.